What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Car Beats, man, back with a POV. As y'all can see, we're gonna do something slight, man. Gonna finish, drive to a destination right quick. But you know what I'm saying? Like I told y'all, boy, we finna try to keep this consistency. You know what I'm saying? Rolling and just giving y'all boy my all, man. Regardless of the video, 20 minutes or 10 minutes. But I'm gonna try to make videos they short, at least 8 minutes, over 8 minutes. You know what I'm saying? But welcome back, man, to all my car crew, man. If you're not a part of the car crew, man, hit that sub button so you can be a part of the car crew, you feel me? On the road to 20K, get your boy to 20K the quick way. We're finna do a little POV drive to my destination, man. Don't know where I'm going. Don't know, you know what I'm saying, like, where I'm gonna go. Not where I'm gonna go, but what I'm gonna do, yeah. Besides driving, just let y'all boy hit that car. Flame tune is on. I forgot it was on. So y'all will get to experience a little bit of that. Yeah, they ain't gonna pop like they need to. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, that was a decent one. Okay, that wasn't nothing. See, you don't be talking about nothing, man. See, you don't be popping that loud, man. Damn, bro, car crew, y'all know. Go back and watch the video when I first put the tune and all that on. And we're doing it, bro. Those pops were insane. I'm telling you, bro, y'all can see the difference, bro. The proof in the pudding, cuz. Crazy. That nigga was like, damn. That nigga like, damn. Cut that out, D. Damn. Look at that. Get that BMW over there. That was clean. Well, it look clean. Like the V8 one. You know the BMW, them body style, be the V8. Twin turbo. Gonna be hard. You can hear the turbos out there, it's off. But yeah. Yeah, man, I can't. I don't know why my pops ain't like that no more, bro. But car crew, y'all boy help me decide, man. All honesty. I know a lot of y'all ain't gonna watch this video, so if you comment replying to this part, you're a real one for real, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna look out for your name, you know what I'm saying? In the giveaway. But yeah, car crew, man, like, should I build Olivia up a little bit? Not, like, make her faster, but, obviously crawl before I walk, like full boat on, headers, things like that. I want to go boost, but I got to do all that, forging the motor, and I don't know I want to do all that. But should I make Olivia faster for the time being? You know what I'm saying? Or should I go new whip? You feel me? That boy, comment down below. New whip or make Olivia faster? Depending on if I do make her faster, depending on how long I've been keeping, because, a new wheel, I ain't got to get a new wheel, but it's like, if I do get a new wheel, though, that's all, you know what I'm saying? I'm starting over from scratch as far as, like, content, bro. Like, so it's going to be a lot of content back to back to back to back to back coming out, you know what I'm saying? Like, just like OD. But in a good way. It's going to be a good thing, not a bad thing. But should I go new whip? Hey, okay then. Should I go new whip? But they having a whole bike fest. Ain't look, I have to roll past some niggas on the bike. The bike community do be deep, boy. Them boys be deep. I ain't gonna cap. If the car community could be the same way, bro. Like, bro, that's like 15 bikes, bro. Over the car community, you can barely get two niggas to link up together. You can get one, but you barely can get two of them. Let me give y'all boys a little pull, man. I've been playing. Stick 'em. yeah, car crew, man. Y'all let me know. New whip or make Olivia faster. And I ain't saying like crazy fast, you know what I'm saying? I'm saying like full boat on type fast, you know what I'm saying? Like real, you know what I'm saying? Real little performance, you feel me? But if not, new whip, you know what I'm saying? New whip can be any whip. Obviously, it's gonna be a faster whip than this one, you feel me? But could go new whip. Y'all boy, comment down below. Depending on what y'all say, you know what I'm saying? What I do. Either way it goes, you know what I do gonna be turned, nigga. I'm trying to get y'all a little outlook, you know what I'm saying? It's still my full decision at the end of the day. But y'all can help motivate the decision. Well, yeah, car crew, y'all boys just let me know, man, you know what I'm saying? I know that POV ain't that fun, but you know what I'm saying? I'm being consistent with y'all boys and just talking to y'all and, you know what I'm saying, seeing y'all head. And that really what, you know what I'm saying, I wanted to ask y'all, boy, you know what I'm saying? New whip or make Olivia faster? I know y'all say make Olivia faster, but come on, be for real. Like, new whip, though? Or, you feel me? Damn, I'm trying to see what kind of car that is. My fault. A new whip, you know what I'm saying? New and improved, or make Olivia faster. Just know now, new whip could be anything. Now. I want y'all to know that. New whip could be anything. But, my bad, y'all. I just seen a, oh, that's a scat. I thought that was, a cat. But yeah, man, I'm finna, I'll talk to y'all boy though. You know what I'm saying? Sound like I'm talking to y'all on the phone. But yeah, y'all boy let me know. New car or what? But I'm gonna be a wrap, man, for today's video, man. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. But like how I always say as well, keep God first, keep him in the mix, man, for all my religious folks, you know what I'm saying? And just try to be obedient, man, as best as you can. Everything ain't easy, but you feel me? Boy, you know what I'm saying? Stay down so you can come up. And also, man, like I said at the end of my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.